you're facing the issue where the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ends prematurely, it's likely due to an existing Epic Games folder on your system. Here's how to fix it. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. Open your File Explorer and search for this PC to access your drives. Navigate to your C drive and locate the following folders: Program Files, x86 for 32-bit systems. Inside each folder, press E on your keyboard to quickly find the Epic Games folder. Once found, right-click on it and select Delete to remove it completely. Repeat this process for both Program Files folders if necessary. After deleting the folders, refresh your PC, restart it, and then try reinstalling Epic Games using the Setup Wizard. This should resolve the issue. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next one.